Hi everyone, hope you are well. Welcome to my channel Physics Joy शुभजीत। आज से हम लोग एक नया सीरीज स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं। उस सीरीज का नाम है इजी कैलकुलेशन। इस सीरीज पर हम लोग मैथमेटिकल कैलकुलेशन के इजी कुछ ट्रिक्स देखेंगे और वो इजी ट्रिक्स लर्न करेंगे। कैसे इजी वे में हम ऑल टाइप्स ऑफ मैथमेटिकल कैलकुलेशंस को सॉल्व कर सकते हैं। तो आज का क्लास स्टार्ट करते हैं। आज हम लोग मल्टीप्लिकेशन ट्रिक्स लर्न करेंगे। मल्टीप्लिकेशन ट्रिक्स के लिए हम लोग ये मल्टीप्लिकेशन ट्रिक्स को तीन पार्ट में डिवाइड किए हैं। दिस थ्री टाइप्स आर series of 1, series of 9 and any type. What do you mean by series of 1? In this multiplication we can multiply with 11, 111, 1111, these types of numbers, so on. Okay, hope you understand this. This is series of 1. Now series of 9. What do you mean by series of 9? In case of series of 9 we can multiply with series of 9 like 9, 99, 999, 9999, this types of series of 9. Okay, and other types of multiplications are in this. ठीक है, तो फर्स्ट टाइप स्टार्ट करते हैं। सो फर्स्ट multiplication is 42 into 11. Here the trick is that in case of 11 2 1 is there. Okay, now 2 1, so 2 minus 1, that means 1, 1 0 we put here and here. Okay, first thing is that यहाँ पर 2 1 है, ठीक है, इसलिए हम लोग क्या करेंगे, एक 0 बाद में और एक 0 एकदम नंबर के पहले में बैठा देंगे। ठीक है, इसके बाद यहाँ पर इस दोनों का ऐड करेंगे, फिर इस दोनों का ऐड करेंगे, फिर इस दोनों का ऐड करेंगे। ठीक है, यहाँ पर एडिशन। ओके, नाउ 0 plus 2 equal to 2, 2 plus 4 equal to 6, 4 plus 0 equal to 4. Complete. Okay, now the second multiplication is that here 2 1 11, so 2 1, now we put 1 0 here and 1 0 here. Now as here is 2 1, so we add only 2 digits. Okay, only 2 digits, as here 1 is 2 times, so we add 2 digits. Now 0 plus 0 becomes 0. Now 0 plus 2 becomes 2, 2 plus 0 becomes 2, 0 plus 2 becomes 2, 2 plus 0 becomes 2. Complete. Okay, now the last one, 2402 into 111. Now here 3 1, so we should put 2 0 here and 2 0 here. Now remember that 3 1, so in case of 2 1 we add 2 digits, in case of 3 1 we add 3 digits, 3 digits, 1 2 3, 3 digits. 1 2 3, 3 digits in this type. Okay, now let's start. 0 plus 0 plus 2 becomes 2. Okay, now 0 plus 2 plus 0 becomes 2. Okay, now 2 plus 0 plus 4 becomes 6. Okay, now 0 plus 4 plus 2 becomes 6 again. Then 4 plus 2 plus 0 becomes 6. Now 2 plus 0 plus 0 becomes 2. Complete. Okay. Next one is that. Repeat again. Same trick. Here number of 1 is 4. Okay. Now हम लोग क्या करेंगे, यहाँ पर 4 एक है, सो एक कम करके यहाँ पर 3 जीरो बैठा देंगे बाद में और एकदम सामने. ठीक है. नाउ हियर 4 1, so we add 4 digits. Okay, 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 4 becomes 4. This cancel. Now 0 plus 0 plus 4 plus 2 becomes 6. Okay, now 0 plus 4 plus 2 6 plus 9 15. Now 5 1. 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 9 15, 15 plus 1 16, 16 and 1 17, again 1. Now 2 plus 9 becomes 11, 11 plus 1 12, 12 plus 0 12, 12 plus 1 13. Okay, now the next one, 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 0 10, 10 plus 2 12, 12 plus 1 13. Okay, next 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 0 3 and carry 1 becomes 4. Okay, the next 4 digits are 0 plus 2 plus 0 plus 0, so it becomes 2. Okay, here only remain this 4 digits, so we can add this 4 digits. 2 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 becomes 2. This is the result, as simple as that. Okay, understand? Let's repeat once again. Here 4 ones, so we can add 3 zeros after the number and in front of the number. The number is 201924. Okay, now the next step is add the 4 digits as there is 4 ones. Okay, understand? Now the next is 9 series, that is series of 9. In case of series of 9, at first we consider equal 9. That means what? Here equal 9 means the number is 8888, 48 multiplied with 4 nines. Okay, the series of 9, that means 9999, 4 nines and the number 48. The digit of the number and the series of 9 becomes same, so here equal 9. Okay, in case of equal 9, there is 8888, so here we can subtract 1 from this number. Okay, first step, minus 1 from the given number, so it becomes 8887. Complete. Now the second step is that subtraction of this number from this. Okay, and this becomes 1, 9 minus 8 1, then 9 minus 8 1, 9 minus 8 1, 9 minus 7 2. This is the result. Okay, the next one, here the number of 9 is 3. Okay, and the number here, the digit is also 3, so equal 9. First step, what? Subtract 1 from this number. Okay, now this becomes 770. Okay, and the final step is what? Subtract this number from 999 and you will get the result. Now 9 minus 7 becomes 2, 9 minus 7 becomes 2, 9 minus 0 becomes 9. Complete. Okay, series of 9. The second part is that excess 9. That means what? In case of excess 9, here we can see that the 9 here is 4. 4 times 9, 9999, and the number multiplied with the series of 9 number is 887. That means here the series of 9 digit is excess than this number. So here we can place 1 0 here. Now the number becomes equal. Now we can apply the previous rule. What is that? 0887, and now we should subtract 1, then this becomes 886. Now subtract this whole number from this number, that becomes, here we can put 1 0, this 0. Okay, now 9 minus 0 becomes 9, 9 minus 8 becomes 1, 9 minus 8 becomes 1, 9 minus 6 becomes 3. Complete. Now the second one is same. Here we can put 1 0 before the number 34, and this is multiplied with 999. Now first step, subtract 1 from this number and this becomes 0 3 3, and the second step is that 9 minus 0 becomes 9, 9 minus 3 becomes 6, 9 minus 3 becomes 6. Very simple. Okay, the third part is that in case of series of 9, less 9. What do you mean by less 9? Here we can see that the number is 732 multiplied with 99, that means 99. Here number of 9 is less than the number above 732. Okay, this is called less 9. In case of less 9, in case of series of 9, this is called less 9. Here we can consider this number as 100 minus 1. This becomes 10. 99, 100 minus 1, that becomes 99. Okay, the second step is that here we can multiply this 732 with this, and this becomes 732 into 100 becomes 73200, and next 732 into 1 becomes 732, and subtract 732 from this and we will get the result. Now this becomes here 8, here 6, here 8, 4, and here 2, here 7. Complete. Okay, now the second one here, you can try it. 1000 minus 1 becomes 999. 1000 becomes 1 becomes 999. Now here this multiplied with this, and that becomes 7899000. Okay, multiplied first this number with 1000 and this becomes that. Okay, now 7899, subtract that. Okay, now here 1, here 0, here 1, here 1, 9, 8, 7. Complete. Hope you understand that. We learned about the multiplication tricks feature series of 1 and series of 9. हम लोग यहाँ पर 1 के श्रेणी और 9 के श्रेणी के मल्टीप्लिकेशन ट्रिक्स लर्न किए, ठीक है। इसके बाद जो एक बाकी रह गया है वो है एनी टाइप्स। दैट एनी टाइप we will be learn in next class. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you.